So it turned out that I still needed to cut the domino mortises in the carcass, but once that was done, I could press on with the painting. Oh look, I was still using rollers back then. Actually, it seems really sort of contained. Now the alcove that these shelves are going into has 3 double socket outlets and a phone connection already in it. So I'm leaving the back off the bottom shelf and I'm cutting out little notches from each side of the lower shelves for cable access. You gotta love a bandsaw, haven't you? 9 o'clock. Cheers. Yeah, just about ready to go on the first coat of proper paint. Things we do for money, hey? Then with all that done, I could get on with the painting. Thankfully the workshop is very warm and everything dries fast enough for me to get 2 coats of eggshell on in rapid succession. Okay, that will do for tonight. It's 2 coats and everything and a coat of primer. It's not actually as bad as it could have been. It's only 11:15, so could have been a lot worse. But that's me done for tonight. Back in the morning bright and early. Get another coat on the face frames because I haven't done around the back yet. And yeah, get the plinth made up and all that sort of stuff. So far so ordinary. Time scale aside, join me in part 3 when we get everything on site for the install.